Today we will be dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. So far we have seen monomial divided by a monomial. We have seen a polynomial divided by a monomial, and today we will be working on polynomial by a polynomial. So there are few steps which we have to follow in polynomial. So I will explain it to you using an example. Okay, so see, I have a polynomial 7x plus 5 plus 6x3 minus 11x square, and I have to divide it by 2x minus 3. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to pick up this polynomial and I have to divide it by this. First of all, very important step is you have to arrange both the terms in the descending order of their degree. Degree means power. Okay, so we have to arrange them in the descending orders. So first of all, let's pick this one. So we have x's. Okay, so first of all, the highest power is x to the power 3. So this one will come first. Please be very careful about the signs. This is positive, so x to the power 3. Now next will be this. We have minus 11x square. Next is 7x. Then we have 5. Okay, so we have arranged this in the descending order of the degree or the power. Now let's pick this one. So we have two terms here, 2x minus 3. It is already in the descending order, so I will write it as it is. Now next what we have to do is we will write it minus 3, since we have to divide it by this number. And what number we have to divide? We have to divide 6x to the power 3 minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5. Okay, so we have written it like this. The second step, first step was arranging them in the descending order. Second step is now first term of, you have to pick up the first term of divisor and you have to pick up the first term of the dividend and you have to divide it by this. So we have 6x to the power 3 by 2x. This one, two monomials, so it can be 3x square. Okay, so what we have done, we have picked up the first term of both the polynomials. Okay, then we have divided them. I have got my first term of the quotient. So this is the first term. So I will write it here. Now next step is to multiply the whole term, the whole divisor by this term. So what will it be? We have 2x minus 3 into 3x square. What will it be? It will be 6x to the power 3 minus 9x square. Okay, you have to pick up this term and place it under here according to the power. Okay, so we have 6x3. Let's search x3. We have x3, so this whole term will come under x3. Then we have minus 9x square. Let's see x square. We have x square. We have minus 9x square. Okay, so till now what we have done, let's revise. First of all, we have arranged them in the descending order of their power. Second, we have picked up first term of both divisor and the dividend and we have divided them together and we have got our first term. 3x square. Then this 3x square has to be multiplied by this whole term, that is this, and we have placed them under their respective parts. Clear? Next, what you have to do is we just change the sign. So this is how we learn the column method. We just change the sign and we minus it. So this one is plus, so now it will be minus. This one is minus, this will become plus. So it will be, this both will be 0. Plus 6 minus this will be 0. And here it will be minus 2x square. With me so far? Understood? Now what we will do is, whatever is remaining here, we will bring the whole thing down with the signs. So we have plus 7x plus 5. We have brought this whole thing down. Now your new dividend is this. We have to again repeat the steps. Okay, what were the steps? We have to pick up the first item from this and we have to pick up the first term from here. So this one will be minus 2x square by 2x. It will be minus 2 by 2 into, what will it be? X square by x, which will be minus x. Okay, so the next term we have got is minus x. Again, what you will do is you have to multiply this new. You don't have to multiply the whole thing. You will just multiply the new thing which you have written. So we have minus x. So this minus x we will multiply with this term. So it will be 2x minus 3 into minus x, which will be minus 2x square plus 3x. Again we will put it x square under x square minus 2x square. This is 3. So we have 3 here. So I will put 3 here. Since we have to subtract, we will change the sign. Minus will be plus, plus will be minus. This will be 0. Here we will have 4x plus 5. Now we will repeat this until we get the remainder as 0 or the remainder power is less than the power of the divisor. Okay, so since this is equal, so we can further divide it. Again the same thing, we will pick up the first one from here. So this 5 we have brought down. First one from here, first from for this. Again we have to do is 4x upon 2x, which will be 4 by 2 into x by x, which will be 2. So the last term which we have got is plus 2. Now 2x minus 3 into 2. So it will be 3 to the 6 minus 4x. Let's start putting it here. We have 4x here. 4x. This is minus 6. This is a constant. Minus 6. This will be minus plus. Okay, so this will cancel out each other. This one will be plus 6 plus 5, 11. So your quotient will be this. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. Okay, hope this is clear to you. If you want to check, we know that divisor into quotient plus remainder will be equal to dividend. Okay, so we can verify it. Divisor is 2x minus 3 into 3x square minus x plus 2 plus remainder is 11. So this can be, you have to, if you are confused as to how I am solving this, please check my video on multiplication and you will understand better. So we will have 6x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus 4x. Then we have minus 9x square plus 3x minus 6 plus 11. So it can be written as x square. We have minus 11x square. Then this can be written as plus 7x and this is 5, which is equal to your dividend. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know. If you solve it step by step, obviously you will be able to solve it. Please be careful of the signs and also just make a column, a rough column, and solve it there.